Good morning, vehicle.
Hello. Are you ready?
No!
The cement mixer is hurrying to the construction site. It's driving too fast and tries to overtake. That's dangerous.
What is this?
Uh-oh!
Oh my God!
It crashes into a streetlight and gets hurt.
Oh no!
Don't do that. What happened?
Crane truck.
Help me!
Here we go!
Okay.
The big crane comes to help.
Oh my God! Hey! Let's go!
It carefully lifts the cement mixer onto the tow truck.
Amazing! Open!
The tow truck takes it to the repair shop.
Hey you, come here! Good job! Bravo!
The dump truck loads the broken streetlight and heads to the repair shop too.
Cool! What's next? I got it! Okay. It's amazing!
Don't cry, cement mixer. We'll fix you right up.
Are you ready? It's a disappear!
The frame is repaired.
Don't do that!
And the dented mixing drum is fixed
It's
too.
so nice!
Huh? Thank you very much.
What are you doing?
Now it's time to repair the streetlight.
Nice!
All
Look
done.
at this! It's my time!
Drill truck.
Come here!
The drill machine loosens the base.
Wow! I like
Excavator.
Hey!
The excavator digs out the old stones.
Very nice! It's a disappear! Let's go!
And the cement mixer pours new concrete.
I like it! Open!
Everyone works together to put the streetlight back in
I
place.
got it! Transformation!
Great job, construction team.
Bye-bye!
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.